Alright, listen, we're gonna be coding again. I hope you're ready. I'm not ready. I'm just triple checking that I don't have weird stuff on my screen. Because you never know. I'm doing the same project as yesterday. So no confusion. It's the same exact project. I'm making my multiple choice quiz on a timer. And I've done some things. It's ugly as fuck, but I just want it to function first, and then I can make it all pretty. Because the functional part's the hard part. Well, the pretty part's relatively challenging as well, but I feel like I can do that. We'll see. You want to see what's in here, though? I'll show you what's in here. Oh. Where's my chat button? I feel like my stream viewer looks different. There used to be so many tools and now there's not. Where did all my toolbars go? It is different. What happened to my stream management dashboard? Bro. Well, enjoy the tunes. Supposedly they're DMCA free. I'm just looking around. I used to have a legacy stream manager viewer where I could see like blocked words and whatever else. Things that would get caught up by the mod. But it's all gone now. Let's see. Hope everyone's doing well. I haven't been streaming, but I wanted to. So this is my way of getting back on, is if I gotta spend all my time doing these programs and stuff and studying, maybe we can join in and do it together. It's just a hangout, you know? No hardcore stuff. Chat highlight settings. Suspicious user? I wonder what that is. Alright. I can't find what I was looking for. So let's just get going. You know? Whew. Hello. Oh no, my green screen. Oh no. You'd think I'd have it together. As usual, I do not. There we go. That's better. All fixed. Look at my hair, it's so fuzzy. No matter what I do, it just gets fuzzy in the winter. You could put stuff all over it to make it curl or stick together. It never lasts. Oh, it's so fuzzy. Oh well. Alright, today I'm gonna go back to the code from yesterday and see what can I get done today. Let me just mess with the volume on this music real quick. Merely! Hi! Thank you. The heat is broken and I'm cold. Oh my god! Hi, Merely. I'm learning how to be a developer and write code like a robot. I hope the mic's okay. I don't know where to put it. I want it off screen, but I don't know if it'll be good enough. It needs to be like facing. Like this is better. Whatever. Yeah, it's bad. It was like freezing last night. And so to mitigate the very, very cold weather, we now have space heaters, and the space heaters have like a low, medium, and high setting on how much heat it can disperse. This is story mode right now. And usually, so far, I've been able to run it on like blast, like have it high in the daytime while we're all awake, and then I found if I leave it on high while I'm sleeping, it gets like really dry in the room, and I'm like dying at night, especially because core is there too. So I turn it to low, and that's been like a nice sort of balance. But last night, I stayed up thinking about this code and this project and whatever else. I forgot to turn the heater from max. You would think I would have like shriveled up into nothing and it would have just dried up in this little room. But no, I woke up cold this morning thinking that, oh, I better turn the heat up. And when I got out of bed to look at the fucking space heater and it was still on max, I'm like, oh no, it's so cold today. Yeah, so that's what's going on with the heat. Just install a fireplace, you know? I'm actually at my family's house right now, which is where there is no heat, and they have a fireplace, but I don't know. I guess it doesn't work. It's like all brick and stuff. It looks nice, but they've never lit a fire, so yeah. I don't think it works. Yeah, it's fun. I remember when I was a kid, my grandparents used to use theirs all the time to save on their energy bills. They still live in the same house. They still have a fireplace, but they haven't lit it in like forever. I don't know if they just haven't cleaned it out and then can't light fires because it's like a hazard. Every year you have to clean it out, or else like the remnants of last year's smoke and stuff, all that stuff that's in there. I forget what it's called, but it's really flammable and sticks to your chimney, so you could like light your chimney on fire. Maybe they just haven't done that. Where you get the little chimney sweep guy to come and like clean all the way up. Yep. It's the best heat. Dude, fire is so hot. Fire is so hot. I always want to sit really close to it and then my skin's like sizzling. I think that's a me problem and not like the fire problem, but still, I do think of that sometimes. Yeah. Pretty much. But still. It's good to see you. I'm so glad you showed up. Hi. Thank you for the 15-month subscription, Merely. It's really nice to have you here. Yeah. My fuzzy hair is sticking to the microphone. I'm a mess. What are you up to? What are you doing? Let me ask you all the personal questions now. Not really, but I hope you're good. I think I told you, but I quit my job. So now I'm just like chilling with family and going to classes. Laundry and eating. Actually, both of those things sound nice right now, because laundry would mean the clothes get nice and warm and fuzzy, or the blankets or whatever it is. I wouldn't even care. If it were like you were only cleaning underwear and socks, I would still jump in that because it'd be warm. Yeah, I quit. My last day was October 26th. And my work email is still active. The tech people are terrible at their jobs. It's actually really funny. Because I complained about them the whole time I worked there and that they're incompetent. And lo and behold, they're incompetent even when I don't work there. But yeah, I know that's random. But yeah, I quit. I'd quit. It sucks because the kids are miserable. I thought they weren't going to find a French teacher fast enough, but they found someone who was like living. So I don't want to give away too much personal information about this person, but it is a woman and they were living in Europe in a country and they moved from that country to live here. I think that was already in their plans and this job kind of like helped them through that or helped her through that. But I believe she is culturally European. She's lived here before, but culturally, like what her values are, more aligned with European ways of life. And that is clashing so much with the kids. Some of them have reached out to me and be like, it's terrible. I completely regret joining French class. Oh, it sucks. She's no fun. And I'm just like, no, my program. The principal of the building and where the kids are really upset used to tell me like, your class is fun, you're my favorite teacher, and they were sad when I was leaving. It's just such a bummer to at least I hear it only from the boys, but it's still such a bummer to at least have the boys be like, yeah, this sucks. But on the flip side, that program's going to crash and burn for a little while until they figure it out. But it's not my problem. And the kids still think I'm okay. So it's nice to be valued by at least the children, even though the adults in there kind of didn't figure it out fast enough. And I now have the opportunity to take this class. Let me show you what I'm working on. If you're still here for all my monologuing. Look. Oh god, it's so small. I've been putting it in regular size so I can see it. But here. Actually, let me just close it all. This is a program called VS Code. Yeah, I'm gonna hack your bank account. No, actually, I found this out while in my class. There's like all these different languages that were invented by humans, so they're non-natural languages for coding. And the one that the bank uses is obviously like one of the oldest ones because banks went digital before like everything else. And the program that banks use the most is called COBOL, which my dad learned when he was in university. It was like one of the two main languages out there. So if you want to hack a bank, you have to learn the OG stuff. Long story short. Yeah, so I'm definitely, this class is not going to teach the OG stuff. And apparently, like, if you do happen to know the, like, COBOL and the older ones, you could be highly sought after by banks because they are desperate for people who know what the fuck that language is. Honestly, they should probably just redo everything, but it's probably next to impossible or like a monumental task because let's say they have their little like COBOL program that does the like original stuff and then they use new languages to kind of like interpret the old stuff and then built on top of that and on top of that. There's probably like so many layers of things that all rely on that one like old COBOL thing that still runs. I don't know exactly how it works, but that's what I'm guessing. No, I'll be I'll be writing APIs like Google Chrome extensions that do stuff. The first one, so I get a week. Every week I get a new project and I like have to do it for a grade. And if I do poorly, then I don't get the like credit for taking this class. The class it's a boot camp program from some company that invented this or that wrote the curriculum for it. And then they sold the program to different universities all around the country. So mine is hosted by UPenn. I'm not technically like, I'm a UPenn student, but I'm not like getting credits or like credit hours or whatever. So this boot camp, start from scratch. Yeah, I think they should. Because it probably is not secure. Like, as much as it should be, I don't think the old stuff is secure. This week's project is to make a quiz that's multiple choice and has a timer that counts down and then says like, you lose. if you don't finish all the questions in time. So as a teacher, it makes me really cringe that I have to make this because I would never ever give a kid or a learner this, but yeah. Make a plugin that changes the word derp and fail to wacky fonts on any web page you load. That would be so cool. Yeah, see that I can actually do that. I don't know how to do it like right now. I can't like make that right in front of you right now, but I could figure that out. I could definitely do that. I think I even know like what I would use. I would use JavaScript to access CSS. JavaScript lets you interact with a web page. CSS is what makes it like different colors and fonts and stuff. And then you would use it? Okay, wait, message me that so I don't forget. I'll make it. And then CSS has some things where you could use like a pseudo selector or something, I think is what it's called. And you could be like, anytime you see this word, do X, Y, and Z to it. Yes. And you can install it on your browser at the end. I want to make an extension that lets you download videos because in my fucking class, it's online and they record the sessions, but when they post the recordings, it's Zoom. Zoom doesn't let you like download it and save it for later to like watch it for later. You have to go on the stupid program website, then open the stupid link, and then it opens like a Zoom link, and then it shows you the video, and you have to watch it there while you're connected to the internet. It's so lame. I'm like, I want to save this shit for later. When it's like 4 months after my program's over and I still don't have a job yet, and I'm like, oh shit, how does this work? I want to watch my class session again and be like, what the fuck? Oh, okay. And like relearn it. But I found an article on like how to hack the website and download the video. And it's like the same step process every single time. So I'm like, oh, I could write a program that just does the steps for me. Or like most of them. Derp cam video? Oh god, wait. Wait. That doesn't sound right. What? You were gonna try and get me to say yes to that, but I don't trust you. Don't mind me, I'm just pouring myself some water. Yeah, that's what I thought. No derp cam video. Yeah, it always sounds better in your head, and then you're like, dear God, what did I just do? It's really funny. Okay, so this is the program. We're just looking at like the program that runs, that lets me write the code. Like you can write code wherever you want. You can write it on a piece of paper. You can write it on Microsoft Word. You can write it in Google Docs. But this program has some like extra features attached to it that's coding specific. So it knows how to do a bunch of fancy stuff that developers want. So here we go. This folder is called Assets. It holds all the things that help the page be nice. But if you want to just see, the page is the HTML page. This is like all the words that you see when you go to a website. Like the title, JavaScript coding quiz. And then you'll see like the instructions. Wait, you can't see it all. There we go. It'll say like, answer as many questions as you can before time runs out, blah, blah, blah. Like this sets the structure on like what is on the page your eyeballs get to see. And then if you want to make it look pretty, use the CSS as extra. So that's why it's an assets folder. It's an asset. This one, this file is .css. It just like gets rid of some extra settings that we don't want. And this one's the legit one. This one, you can put like the colors in it and like the fonts in it. Yeah, you can preview it. Yeah, I'll show it to you. So I already put some of these colors in it and it's ugly as all get out. But I just wanted to put colors so I could see like which sections were changing when I was messing with it. Because last step before I show you what it looks like right now, because I'm embarrassed about what it looks like, so I'm stalling, is this last file. It's the JavaScript. This is the third language that I learned. So HTML is 1, CSS is 2, and the third thing I learned is JavaScript. This guy is the one that like makes the page do stuff. So here's like, I made a quiz question and I gave it a bunch of like properties like, oh, the question words are, here's the question. And like, you know, if you have like A, B, C, and D as your answers, I put like A, B, C, and D. And I wrote a note to myself saying, the last one is the one that's the correct answer. Yeah. And then like, that the questions don't do anything yet. It doesn't work yet. But I have like all these functions and like things do stuff. So like when this one says like when you click on the start button, it starts the timer. Anyways, let me show you what it looks like. I'm done installing. Because the JavaScript is hard to explain. Okay. So here's my page. Oh wait, let me not do full screen so you can actually see it. This is the whole thing. It's just this. It says JavaScript coding quiz. And then the little words that I showed you from the HTML. Answer as many questions as you can. Blah, blah, blah. But I made the start button work. Oh, you like the colors? Thanks. I got it from this. Is it this one? No, not that one. What? Can I see the things that I liked? Bro! Faves, follows. Aw, my account's empty. Just kidding. Oh! This one. It's this one. Colorlovers.com. Yeah. Do you know this? I was being lazy and just like picked one that looked kind of nice. And that's where the colors are from. And then I saved them in the style sheets here. There they are. They're really small. But it's like this color, and then this color, this color, and then this color, and then this color. It's nice. It's like an artist thing. Someone showed it to me a while ago, and I was like, oh, that's cool. So if you get stuck on ideas, you can see some colors that maybe look all right together. Ooh, wait a minute. I need to fix something. I'm still here. I'm just sneezing. That's not what I was doing, but I had to make sure that something didn't show on screen. Sorry. Yeah, so wait, where is it? Where is it? This one. This one. Okay, watch. So I made the start button work. Hi, Jello! What the fuck? What the fuck? What? I'm making a website. I'm making a quiz. So look, if you click the start button, it's supposed to hide this part and then show the next part, which has, so there's 3 pages. This is the opening page. There's a quiz page, and then there's a leaderboard page. We can't see the other 2 pages yet. This is just the opener page. When I click start, the quiz page will open. And then when the quiz ends, I'm supposed to make it so the leaderboard page opens. I haven't done all that yet, but look. Boop! This is where the quiz question is going to be. Between time left and then this blank space, that's where it's going to be. And then the answers are going to be in these bubbles. And you have to click one of the bubbles. Yep. That's as far as I got. I have to insert all the questions and I don't know how to do it. So I'm just going to think out loud until something works. It's probably not the most interesting way to do things, but it's definitely the only way I know how. Can I have the boop sound effect? Oh my god, I was pooping. I forgot. I don't notice that I'm booping and then you said it. Damn it. Yeah, no, I don't know. Probably. I should look that up. That'd be so funny. Because I got graded on it, which means someone's gonna have to open it and see what happens. And they're gonna have to click through it and see if it works, and then it boops at them. That'd be so funny. Wait, how to add sound effect to JavaScript button. Boop! That would be so funny. Oh! Oh, it's jQuery? No, I haven't learned that yet. No. Don't duplicate sections of code, avoid blah blah. Let me just open this. Okay. What if it works? Okay. 9 years ago, someone asked this question. Hopefully someone figured it out. I'm new to JavaScript and want to make sure I'm on the right track when playing a sound. Is there anything I should not be doing better or not be doing at all? Below is a simple function. I'm not sure whether I should be using the audio tag or not. I appreciate any feedback. Oh. Okay, so this is the thing that maybe doesn't work, and then someone below will suggest how to do it better. So let's just skip. Maybe the answer will make sense without reading the original. Don't duplicate sections. Avoid putting execution code in simple conditionals. Instead, use them to build a shared executor. Oh. Function. Play sound. And then they put the sound file in it, and it'll play that one. Variable. Type attribute is empty. If navigator, I don't know what user agent or index of is. So if in Firefox, if the navigator is in Firefox, and it doesn't equal -1, then change the variable to be this thingy. Which maybe is like a file or something. And then insert into the page this embed sound file. Okay, but that doesn't work if I want to click the button. You can simply use script without the type attribute. If language is not... See, oh, there's only 2 upvotes on these. This is not a very good forum. There's usually like a bajillion people responding, and like one of them has like 500 upvotes. When click make boop. That's literally what I was looking for. I thought it would just be that simple. And no, I'm not trolling you. Like, I literally thought it would be the same. How many years ago was this? 6 years ago? 9 years ago. I'd say a real button should be used, not a link. Okay, me too. So button, click here to hear a sound button. Ooh, wait, soundboard. Isn't there like a soundboard website? Yes. What if we just look at the code here? Okay. Let's see. The code on this button is small button. Click on play this thingy. On click play this sound. On click play this sound? That's it? No, that can't be it. On click play this sound. Click play sound. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Oh God, no. That was terrible. Is it too? That's probably so loud. I'm sorry. Let me turn that down. These are terrible. It's good? Let me just do Sombra boop. Just for you. This one. This one. This is the best one. Okay, wait. Save as. Streaming. Where do I put it? Do I have a blah, 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 blah. OBS scene backups. Sound effects. Yes. Sombra boop. Oh wait, no, it saves as a web page. Wait, how do you save link as? HTML document. No, let me save the file. Oh. Download. I know what I'm doing. I even have a sound effects folder, so I definitely know what I'm doing. Yay! Okay. So it says, wait. Where's the button? Inspect the button. On click play. That's not gonna work. How can that be that simple? Wait. This is so fun. See, I would not have thought to do this if I had not streamed and you were not here. So all of these things combined just make me really happy. Thank you for being here. Does all this and they grade it with the sound off. No, I'm gonna make everyone in class open it and take my quiz so that when they hit the button it goes boop. Okay, wait. Where's my button? Oh, my button's right here. Oh, I have so many things attached to the button though. What if I break it? Wait. Their button thing was in the index HTML file. Where's my button? Button. I'll have so many. The start button. This one. Okay. Start button is on line 18. This guy. So they had... I'm just gonna copy what they have and then put in the... Wait, I gotta put the file in here. Dumbass. Alright, wait. Streaming. S for sound effects. Sombra boop. Click and drag and put it in here. New folder. Sound effects. And put Sombra in there. Move it. Boop. Boop. You're so excited you want to learn code now? I got you. That's what DC said. This is me week 4 into class right now. Week 5 actually starts tonight because it's a night class. Okay, wait. This is crazy. Let me do it now. It's right there. So I can connect it now that it's in the folder. Hopefully. So where's the button? Inspect the button. Okay, so it's called, you do on click property equals play. Oops, put it in there. Play. And then, what the heck? This is so complicated. What if I just copy it? Can I copy it? I can copy it. Copy. Oh, but it has all this other stuff attached to it. Wait, look. It does media sounds, Sombra boop, MP3, but it also has loader and has boop Sombra 11802. I wonder what that is. A plugin that makes a boop noise when you click things? Okay, wait. So it's play and then a bunch of stuff in it. Oh god. I should name it media. Media? No, I should name it sounds. Okay, so it'll be dot sounds, excuse me, dot sounds, dot, hello! There's supposed to be a pop-up. That's why I'm screaming at it. Copy relative path. No, it's supposed to be this way. I think. I don't know. This isn't looking good yet. I don't know why. Oh, because it needs this. Does it need this? Oh. One thing. And then I don't know what the loader is. Loader. Dash. And then they did... I'll just copy boop sombra dash 11802. Okay, I hit save. There's no way this is gonna work. Try it with that and see what happens. I'm trying it. So I still have this example open, and when I right click on inspect, it'll take me to this section. So like, see, like when I hover my mouse over the code, it'll like show me on the page like what part that code is for, right? Oh, there's a loader under here. Okay, might need to look at the code a little more closely, but in any case, I copied the on-click play, and then I changed their media sound sombra boop to whatever my file location is, and then I copied loader. I don't know what that means. And I copied boop sombra 11802. I don't know what that means. Oh, there's more code at the bottom. Wait. Oh, sombra sound. Title equals play boop sombra sound. Oh, they made a title for people who use screen readers. Okay, but I don't know if it works yet. So, I'm gonna hit save. I just did a keyboard shortcut to save, and then... No, it doesn't make any sound. I need to look at the rules. I can't just copy it, because there's probably stuff in there that I don't need. Refresh page, it's live. There's no sound on it. Damn. Oh! Uncaught reference error. There's an error on line 18. And 18 is where I was writing the button. Oops. The error says play is not defined. Oh? Oh? Maybe I have to make something called play and then it'll work. Yes! Play is not defined at the button on click. On click play. Okay, wait. I wonder if I could just take off the play part. How dumb would that be? What if it was like that? No. Okay, not that. What if... But what's the error now? There's no error! Okay, so it didn't like play. And it won't play the sound, but now it's not fighting with me about play. If you just delete it. Oh, it doesn't like taking the parentheses out. Keep the parentheses. Gets red. See, this is what I've been learning. It's just how to mess with stuff and then unmess with it. But look, the forum had some information. It says use a button. And then... Maybe the loader part was messing with it? Yeah, the loader looks random. I could probably take that out. But I don't know what the other thing is either. Alright, so what if I just use the file? On click equals this. I don't know if it'll know to like actually run it. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I'd say a real button should be used, not a link. Button type. Button type equals button. On click equals something. Click here to hear a sound. End of button. This person says use a different language to do it. No, I don't want to do that. Put the snippet at the bottom of the page after all of the thing. Play sound will play a sound. Somewhere on your page, you should link. Can I do that? I can put a link to it in the button? I wonder if I can break this by not breaking it. Wait. So there's a thing called an anchor. Like, see how button is this dark blue? There's another dark blue thing. I think this is like a tag or an element. There's an anchor element that lets you put like links into stuff. Maybe I could just put a link straight to the file. Oh, but it would probably open the file. No! Okay, that's not it. Alright, next. Come on, come on. Give me the answer. Implementing sound. Audio is this. Source is this. Add audio and source. When you open sound. Come on, show me the answer. Sound in JavaScript, that's what I want, I think. We're gonna modify code to play sounds in reaction to correct and wrong answers given by the user. Yes, that'd be great. Bruv, what? I wanted to say boop. What? Don't judge me. Merely had a great idea because he was probably making fun of me, but I decided it was great. Boop. I have a somber boop. What do you mean, bruv? Stop judging me. Okay. I'm glad you weren't. Oh, hello. Greetings. I just got here. He doesn't know what's going on. Yeah, you're busy working. Lame. You should just do what I do and fuck around. We sidetracked my code because I want to have a sound effect when you click a button. Help me. No, this is fun. This is learning. Oh, what? What? No, it's not that easy. What? Don't mess with me. What the fuck's wrong with you? You think that's funny? I'm kidding. I know you're kidding, you jerk. Week 5 is learning how to put in sounds. Yay! No, I'm actually... class starts in an hour-ish, and I'm probably gonna be so confused because I didn't get to look at what this upcoming week is about. So, they usually give you stuff in advance, so you get to look at it and kind of familiarize yourself with it. And then class happens, so you have like some vague understanding of maybe some concepts, or at least you've heard of them now. And then you go through all this class stuff where they like really gives you like large chunks of things that you have to process during a live almost 4-hour session. I haven't looked at the stuff that they sent me in advance, so I'm kind of gonna be fucked for tonight. But it's okay! I want to figure this out. I'm kind of not reading this. There. Make a variable called sound. And make it button. And then when you click it, play the my sound dot play. Oh. Okay, I don't exactly understand that, but I think I can do that. Okay, wait. So let's open up the JavaScript. We're gonna hide all these questions because it's too much to look at. Okay, so somewhere for fun, I guess at the top, we'll put the sound right at the top. Constant, that's the variable type. Boop equals Wait, where do I put this? Where do I put the audio file? I'm booping. Wait. Daniel Radcliffe? George Clooney? Where do you put the audio file? Audio. You can just do an audio? Just like that? Where's the button? 18? This is the button. I'll put an audio in it. Maybe? Audio. An element represents a sound or audio stream. Okay. ID equals boop. It's going to be the boop sound. And then close it. And inside, I'll put the source file. And it's gonna be dot sounds slash, why is that not working? Assets, sounds, this thing. I'm getting there! I think so. Okay, so it says put an audio in there in the HTML and give it the source file. So I put the file, I connected the file to it, right? And then it says on a JavaScript, which is like the when stuff happens type of code, connect them together. So boop has to connect to this boop. Document dot get element by ID. And the ID we said is called boop. Right here. The ID is boop. So we just put the ID in there. And then we'll do boop dot play. See, this is I think where it's gonna get fucked up. Dot play. Does it know how to do play? Where's the button? This is the button. Okay. So boop dot play. There is no play. It's supposed to like when you're typing stuff, it's supposed to just like show up. I don't know. I don't know if that'll work. Boop! Refresh. Boop on play is not a function. No! I need to define play. How do I define play? Oh my god! It works! Yes! They're gonna jump out of their seats. I think the graders work at night. They're gonna be like 4 in the morning creating these boring ass projects, and mine's just gonna be like boop. I jumped as well. Dude, that was so scary. Why was that so loud? Okay, wait. Can I change the volume? Yes. Yes. This is life. This is so good. Can you imagine? I would have never been doing this with my life if I never quit. That's so funny. Oh my god, I don't know what to do now. Okay, wait, no, I do. I need to fucking change the volume so it's lower. It's so loud. JavaScript, lower volume, sound. I don't know what to look for. Property, volume, property set. No, I don't want them to set the volume. I want it to be correct. Oh, volume equals. Yes. I can just add the dot volume and then put a number next to it. 1 is going to be 100%. And so 0.2 is going to be 20% of the original file volume. All right, let's try that. Can I just... Where is my button? Boop. Play. You know what? Where's the boop? Is it up here? Boop. Can I just... Document. Dot volume. Oh, I can't do another equals. This is not hard. I'm just stuck for a second. You literally just have to add dot volume equals and then a number next to it. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put that. So up here on line 1, I told it that boop is this part of the code. You can't, I don't think you can use equals more than once in one line though. So I'm just thinking, would I say constant? Ooh. Hey! Oh my god, Merely. Merely, I'm so hyped right now. This is the coolest. Thank you so much for the bits. For the 218 bits! Such a good number for a boop. Okay, wait. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Should I make a function? No, that's too complicated. Should I tell boop to be lower here? No, I want boop to always be lower. Document dot get. Can I just say boop dot volume? Can't spell. Volume equals 0.2. That's not a 0, that's an O. Genius. So boop's volume is lower. Okay. Brace yourself. I'm gonna click it again. I don't know if it'll not be as loud. That sounded better. Okay, wait. If you're wearing headphones, take them out. Take them out. I'm gonna set it to 2. I'm gonna make it double the original sound. It's gonna blast your ears off. If this works, it's gonna be way too loud. Okay? Are you ready? I'm clicking it. Oh, it's broken. 2.0? Oh, I broke it. I broke it a lot. It wasn't loud at 0.2. What if I put it at 1? Can it not go? Is that louder? Oh, it's working. It's definitely working. Ah! Okay. It works. Yeah. You want all the poop. Ah! What have we been doing? Can you do uptime right now? How long have we been doing this? Because I showed you, or I told you the updates, I showed you the program and what's in here, and then we immediately started making the boop. How long has it been from all that? I need an uptime. I'm gonna save my work. It's been an hour! Oh my god. Git commit m added boop sound effect on start button. LOL. Oh my god. It takes like 30 seconds just to save. Oh, Discord just said it was live 10 minutes ago. Oh, is that why you popped in and said, hey? Aw. I'm glad you keep an eye on the Discord, though. That makes me happy. I'm so sorry. That's okay. I have about an hour left before class starts. I don't know. I don't really want to take a break between doing this project and work and going to class and crying my eyeballs out because it's too hard and I didn't read the notes. I should take that break, but I don't think I want to. So I could still do this for like an hour. Let's see. I have some other files I can open. Let's put them all up here. Oh boy, that was so fun. All right, so mainly I just want to look at the HTML and the script. Hey! Oh yeah, the laundry. Oh my god, it's been an hour. You better go get it. Someone's gonna take your clothes. Actually, I have no idea where you do your laundry. This was really fun. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming. This is really fun. Ew, gym. Oh, I hate the gyms. I hope you really enjoy it there and that you work hard, but they're so boring. Merely, get out of here. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god. Thanks for the cheers. This was a worthy actual thing for cheering for once. Merely. I feel like you're just getting your change from the laundry and just pelting me with it. I don't know why my brain does the visuals, but yeah. Okay, bye! Wait, let me... Hearts. There. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I just need to step away and collect myself for like a second. I'm not like gone. But this is a good time to just take a very quick break so I can look at what's next. I'll be right back, I promise. This was fun. Okay, I'm back. I just had to give the doggo all the pats and lovin's. There we go. She doesn't want to hang out with me while I'm streaming. She gets bored. I had to go find her. Okay, that was nuts. I can't believe that we spent an hour figuring out how to add sounds. Well, okay, telling merely updates and then doing all that. Anyway, this is exciting. I am excited. This was really fun, and I'm all hyped up. I hope I can figure out the next step. I probably don't want to put this all the way up here, though. I need a better spot to put this. Start button. I'll probably put it just above the start button. Connects audio to JS. E. Oh! It's so cold. Holy crap. Alright, so the next thing in my ideas list is create a bank of 15 questions. And I got the questions already. I like saved them in another place. So I can be done with the bank. Oh, but what I don't know how to do is say, um, hmm. I don't know how to tell my program which of the answers is the correct answer. I think I want to look at that. Because I saved the questions, I saved the possible answers, and I saved like some feedback like, oh, good job, you got the right answer, or like, no, stupid piece of shit. But I don't have the correct answer posted. I wrote a note saying which one's the correct answer, but yeah, that's not enough. Correct answer is... Correct answer is response 4. Can I just do that? I think I can do that. Huh, I'm so cool. Okay, to be fair, I don't know if I can do that, but it didn't complain. So this question 1 variable has all this stuff inside of it, which means because it has a name and it has like a billion definitions or like pieces of its definition, and all the pieces are separated. So that means that it's an object, which is really cool. Objects get to store like lots of different types of information together. So this is the property of question 1. The question property's definition is this stuff. So I think if I give it a correct answer property, the definition of it is response 4. I think that'll be a good way to do this. So here, let me set all of these. So correct answer in this one is response 3. And then correct answer in this one is also response 3. And then in the last one, wow, this is long. Correct answer in this one is response 2. So when I'm making the quiz, I'll probably do something like, if this object's correct answer, or if the person clicks on this object's correct answer, then show them the correct answer feedback. And if this person does not click on, or clicks on something, clicks on wrong, wrong, or wrong for the other 3 answers, then show them the you're wrong response. Something like that. I'm also supposed to make it so the timer gets a penalty every time they click the wrong thing. There's so many parts in moving pizzas to this. Okay. Create a bank of 15 questions. Create possible choices. Moving pieces. Pieces. Like units. Things. Objects. Tidbits. Pizzas. No. Now I want pizza. Can you send me a pizza? Damn. You know, my treat stream is active, by the way. If you know you wanted to send food. I don't think... Oh, I should put pizza in it, though. I don't think I have pizza set into it. Put all question bank objects in an array. I know where you live! Oh, God! I'm home alone right now. It's so peaceful. Hence the stream. I could probably stream on Tuesdays consistently if I wanted. Um, and then this was like a bonus. Today was a bonus. Let's see. Another thing I'm thinking of in the future, it would be really cool. I have a question bank. And it's going to hold all these questions, right? It'd be cool if I could figure out how to randomly show a question to the person doing the quiz and have it like be a different order every time. However, I have no idea how to do that, so I'm not going to worry about it because it's not part of the rules. We don't have to do them in random order. It can be in the same order every time. Because, like, I know how to randomize something, but I don't know how to make sure it's not been seen before. I think I kind of know. Like, I would, like, set... Can I set an attribute to it? No, that's index HTML. There's definitely a way to do it. I shouldn't be wasting my brain on this right now. That's extra. But it would be cool. I'd probably make I have it written down like, oh, make a function that is the randomizer and put all the questions in there so that they are like local and private. So you can't see them in advance. Man, I'm still so pumped about the sound effect. When I make my own website, I'm gonna have so much fun with that. Okay, what do I want to do? I have, let's find my functions. I have a make active and make inactive to hide and show certain parts of the page. I have the opener function that just sets default view. I have the timer, which does the countdown and then it says time's up when it's all done. I have this insert question. This is where I need to really work on. So I have some ideas, but I haven't thought about it enough. So at first I thought I could just insert the entire question and answer chunk into the HTML, which I think I'll need to do. And then I'll have to have a function that lets the person interact with what's there. Maybe. I don't think I want that in the same function, but I might. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, like I think I'm gonna have the insert question just put questions on the page. Then I think I'm gonna have the quiz function be where it reacts to like correct and incorrect and switching out questions. So this is gonna be call insert question. It's gonna call a question. And what else is it gonna do? I just said it. It's gonna call a question and control what? Can I put event listeners in a function? I'm guessing I can, but I've never seen it yet. I haven't seen that yet. Because this would be cool, like, while this function is running, it'll listen to if people click on the right thing. Because an event listener, when it's not in a function, just listens all the time. And I think it might be wrong to do that. I don't know. I'm confusing myself. Okay, pay attention. Insert question. Just do the insert question. Just do this section. Just this section. Make the text appear on the page. You can tell when to listen. Oh, like in an if statement? If something is if insert question is running, if the quiz is running, or if a function is running, or if something is happening, then listen. I'm guessing it'd be an if statement. Yes. Okay. What was my question? If event listeners. Yes. Okay. And other things? Maybe use event listener in an if statement to verify if user selects correct response. Okay, leave that for later. That's how the quiz is gonna work. I just want the question to be on the page. I'm telling myself this. I'm not yelling at anyone who's here, but I keep getting distracted. I'm thinking of too many things at once. Okay, so I set up all these variables, and all they do is they just look at the part of the page called quiz. This section is called quiz page. That's it. Then I have like something looking at each little part on the quiz page. That's it. The next thing I want to do is actually some research. Why is inner HTML insecure? One of my instructors said this is not a good thing to use. You shouldn't use this thing. It's risky, blah, blah, blah. But at the same time, he didn't offer me an alternative. So I'll have to read up and see why it's bad. 9 years ago, some security comparison of eval and inner HTML. 9 years ago. Why are they teaching us this thing that's so old then? I've been doing experimenting with inner HTML to try and figure out where I need to tighten up security on a web app I'm working on. I ran into an interesting injection method. Okay, eval. Don't use eval. Okay. On Mozilla Docs that I hadn't thought about. Variable name is an image. Element.innerHTML gets you name. It instantly runs the code. Okay. It made me wonder if I should be using inner HTML at all, or if it's not a concern. Why I've been avoiding other code insertion methods, especially eval. Let's assume I'm running JavaScript client-side on the browser, and I'm taking necessary precautions to avoid exposing any sensitive information in easily accessible functions. I've gotten to some arbitrarily designated point where I've decided inner HTML is not a security risk, and I've optimized my code to the point where I'm not necessarily worried about very minor performance hit. Am I creating any additional problems using eval? Are there other security concerns other than pure code injection? Or, alternatively, is inner HTML something I should show the same amount of care with? Is it similarly dangerous? Okay, so before inner HTML was eval. Eval got scrapped. Inner HTML is a new one. But apparently now my instructor is saying that's also just be scrapped. This is correct. Setting inner HTML is susceptible to XSS attacks. If you're adding your own code, but it's less of a problem. Text content! Genius! I've seen that before. Consider using text content if you want to add text. Oh, that users added. Cross-site scripting? That just looks like CSS. What is that? That's so cryptic. Just random proper noun in my chat. Oh, XSS cross-site scripting. Huh, okay. Yeah, so it's like messing with people's JavaScript across websites. That sounds mean. Text content. Okay, so inner HTML sets the HTML content of a DOM node. When you set the content of a DOM node to an arbitrary string, you're vulnerable to cross-site scripting if you accept user input. Okay, I'm not accepting user input. I'm putting my own questions in and they just click on them. So I might not have to worry about it. For example, if you set inner HTML of node based on the input of a user from get parameter, user A can send user B a version of your page with the HTML saying steal their data and send it to me. Oh, that's not good. You might want to consider if you're setting HTML of nodes is using a template like Mustache that has escaping capabilities, using text content to set text nodes manually, not setting arbitrary input. All right, let's just do text content. This is really cool to learn about, but I think I found my answer. JavaScript text content. How do I use that? The text content property of node interface represents the text content of the node and its descendants. Text content and HTML element inner text are easily confused, but they're different in important ways that we won't tell you about unless you click on this fucking different website. It responds as string or null. If the node is a document or doc type, text content returns null. If it's some sort of data thingy, then it returns as node value. That's something I haven't learned yet. Text content can return concatenation of text content or an empty string. Setting text content on a node removes the children and replaces them with single text node. Huh. That looks like it's a very valuable warning. So I'm going to use text content, and if I use text content, it kills the children. Oh my god. So I guess I'll put the children on first and then kill them? Wait, it'll kill them anyway. Let's see what happens. I'm like, oh, what if it deletes the children? What if I just put the children first so it can't delete them because something will already be there? But I don't think that'll work. Okay, so... This is gonna be so confusing. Let's see if I can insert the question. That's it. Just the question. I'm gonna open the JavaScript 2 times so I can see the top and the bottom. So let's say question is equal to question 1 dot question. If I do that, it might just print the string and I don't have to do text content. Let's see. Website, where are you? Oh, shit's broken. Okay, if I hide that, does it fix it? Oh, shit's broken. Oh no, when did I break it? What was I doing? Fudge. What did I do? Response 4 is not defined. Oh, line 10. Okay, I have to fix line 10. I thought I was really clever with this. I said correct answer is the same thing as response 4. Oh, I could just do question 1 dot response 4 and then it'll know what response 4 is, I think. Oh no. It doesn't know how to read what I wrote on line 10. Okay, that doesn't work. No. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do that? Nope. Ah! Okay, that doesn't work. I thought I was so smart when I did this. Okay, wait. I can't do what I wanted yet because I broke it. Is it possible to set an object property to 2 values? Can you have 2 values on one property? Like, I want one property to have like a string, but also a Boolean value, like true or false. Can I do that? Let user new object be there and it's an empty. And then, yeah. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's just a property with 2 words. Can I do... Wait. This says... object name dot property equals true. This would give a syntax error. Damn it! That's what I wanted to do. Oh, wait. Wait, so question 1 dot... okay, wait. Question 1 dot response 4 equals true. Oh, it doesn't like that. Fudge! I was hoping I could do this. That's okay. No, it's not. This line doesn't work. The green line, line 10. That's okay. Let me go back and see if I can insert the question at least. I'll comment. Let me comment out all these other questions. I'm gonna highlight question 2, 3, and 4 and comment them out. What did I just do? Okay. Commenting out the questions, just keeping one question active so I can test it. Taking out the true false thing. And I'm gonna try and set the question now to be on the page. Oh, it's still broken. Line 2 is not defined. Line 2. Oh, yeah, because I just hid them. Okay, now it works. Boop! Alright. We did it. There's no question here, though. There's no text. I have a 404 error on a fav icon. What does that mean? Heh. It says cannot get fav icon. I didn't put any icons in here. Hi, Samurai Piggy! I'm learning how to code. What you up to? Hmm? What's new? I quit my job and I'm taking classes and I'm learning how to code. I'm making a little website right now. This is what it looks like. It's ugly. Don't judge. I didn't design any like visuals yet. I just made it a darker color so it wouldn't be bright white. But yeah. My project for my class this week is to make a quiz. And right before you got here, someone encouraged me to add a sound effect and we figured out how to do that. So look, when I click start, boop, it changes the page like I wanted it to, which has nothing on it yet. But it makes a somber boop, so it's awesome. Yay. I hope things are going well with you. I'd say things are all right here. I have probably like a half hour left before I have to go to class, actually. I just got an error code. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like, it's so small, but there's like this like red line and it's complaining about something and I don't know what that means, so I just Googled it. Cannot get fav icon to display. I don't have one though. Type image. There definitely does not need to be an icon. Relative? Change absolute values? Causes browsers to locate and display? I don't know. I'll look it up later. I'm trying to get my questions to show up on my website. And I don't know how to do that yet. I should be able to say on the website, show this thing and then this part of it. What do I have right now? Insert question. All right, here we go. I have this part of the page is the first question, the question part of it. I need to do text content. Maybe that. Does that fix it? Does that fix it? Does it fix it? Boop! Yes! It's here! Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, question 1. Oh, it's just saying question 1. Oh, no, I don't. I don't want to say question 1. Ooh, I could do... That's an extra thing. I could put a counter on it. Wait. Bonus. Bonus again. All right, that was a bonus. This is a bonus. Add a counter to question numbers. So each question is plus equals counter. So it adds one. It adds one to itself. Oops, that's backwards. Isn't it plus equals instead of equals plus? I don't know, something like that. This way it won't print question number, but count on its own in case questions are randomized. Yes, okay. I have all these ideas, right? But it takes forever. Hi, Cora. Psst. What are you doing? That's not for you. Okay, so I'll put the question in. And now I'm gonna say what? Response A is going to be question 1 dot. Oh, I think I fucked this up big time. So I'm gonna need help on this. I just thought I just thought of this crazy thing. I think it's gonna be really difficult to change out the questions. So I'm inserting the object's properties into the HTML, but I'm doing it object at a time. So I'm gonna have to be like, I'm gonna have to have as many functions as there are questions. And I know that's not right. Huh. Because right now, how do I do that? I don't know if I can name them better. Hi, babe. Hi, babe. I should fix this now before I get too far ahead. I'm gonna put my questions back on. Oh, wait, no. No, Cora. No, Cora. Go on. She's asking for dinner. Way too early. Hi, I was just thinking I might need your help. I want to fix something before I code it too far in. But I don't know if I can conceptualize the whole thing. All right, wait. Response A, B, C, and D is on the HTML. And then response, I should change these. A, B, C, and D. How's dinner? I'm getting hungry. Response B, 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 B. B, C, C. I'm changing the numbers back into letters. But I'm still screwed. I still need to fix something. So the problem is I want to insert code with a function. And right now I'm like, I think the correct way to say it is I'm hard coding it, meaning like I'm setting the function to just put in one specific thing as opposed to telling it to put in just a group of things that can be interchanged later. Oh, my little brain. I can't do all this. Alright. So here's what I'm doing. I'm gonna make it big again. So on my, just above my head and over there is the JavaScript. It's the same file. I'm just like looking at the top and then looking at the bottom at the same time. So I can have it. I have over here a bunch of questions and I set them as objects so that they can hold multiple pieces of information. Like question 1 has the question. It has option A, B, C, and D. And it has like congratulations if you get it right. And it has like no, you're an idiot if you get it wrong. One of the problems I have is telling it which is the correct answer. Like, I don't know how to do that. That's one problem. But the bigger problem I'm having right now is finding a way to insert parts of this object into my HTML. You were here when I learned how to do text content, and I'm using text content. It's great. However, in my function, way over there, on this side of the screen, I started putting in this query selectors, and I connected all the parts of the JavaScript to in like the question stuff, so that way when I insert, the text will appear. But here's the problem. I said question this variable where I want the question words to go. I set the text and I said look at question 1 and put the question 1 in there. But what if I want to not look at question 1? What if I want to look at question 2? Or question 3? Or question 30? Like, how do I make it change or be capable of changing? So I think this insert question function is great because it just connects different parts of code to the HTML. And I should probably leave it alone almost. But I'm not sure. Maybe I could do like an if statement, like, oh, oops. I just scrolled down to the bottom. Hang on, I need to close the door. So yeah, I think insert question is a good function to have because it connects the JavaScript to the HTML and tells it where to put the text. But it doesn't tell it to input text yet. So I'm trying to think of what steps I'm missing. I might need to use this array now. Question bank. Like, what if I use the insert question function? What if I use a for loop to just keep throwing questions in there And the for loop maybe has if statements, like if they select the correct answer, go into the question bank and +1, show a new one. No, it's supposed to show one question at a time. So on my site, oh, it's broken again. God damn it. 22. Oh yeah, I gotta take these out. Pardon. Let me just fix this. Or delete those. I don't need them right now. Yeah, so when I click, slowing down, I have a page and it shows one section of the HTML at a time. This is currently the opener page, the landing page, if you will. It just says the rules to the game, and then it says a button, or it shows a button that lets you start. That's literally it. I think there's a hidden thing right now because I didn't change the colors correctly, but in any case, when I click start quiz, the event listener tells it to hide the opener and show the quiz section and make a sound. So here, I'm going to click it. It makes a sound. And then these dots are going to be where the answers will be inputted. And up here's where the text will be inputted. Yeah, I'm on the right track with the array. I just have to figure out what to do. This is stressful. I have it on 60 seconds right now. You get a minute to try and answer as many questions as possible. All right. So where's the insert question? For the love of God. All right, here it is. Use for loop to insert question properties based on question bank array. If correct, show win text and +1 on array index location. If incorrect, show lose text and +1 on array index location. Something like that. Because the examples showed us, like, if you get the wrong answer, you just lose a chance at looking at that question. You get a new question. I don't agree with that teaching practice, but whatever. Use a for loop to insert question properties. God, that's gonna be so hard. Okay. Oh, accessing array of an array again. How is everyone else gonna do this? I feel like they haven't learned this. Okay. Make this into an array that grabs the object properties. Question bank. The base case. So I just need to get the name of the array, which is called question bank. So question bank 0 gets me the object called question 1. Okay. That's the very basic, biggest, broadest thing that has to get used. And then dot text content. And then equals. No, not even. I'm still just putting in, I'm still just finding a longhand way to put in the first questions question. Okay, wait. But would it work? Now I want to see if it works. Okay, give me a second. I just want to see if it works. No! It broke. Cannot set properties of undefined. Setting text content at insert question and quiz. Oh god, there's so many errors. Wait, so 100 is wrong. Alright, so that didn't work. 117 it doesn't like either. Okay, we're not gonna do this right now. Oh wait, no, yes we are. It calls that function. And it also doesn't like 131 quiz, because that calls that function. Okay, so it's really just complaining about this one line of code. If I take this out, all those errors are gonna go away. Yeah, all those errors go away. Okay, so I didn't write this correctly anyways. But it's fine. Insert question only needs to know the question number. Okay. So if that's true, then for loop. For loop. I don't remember how to write a for loop. Give me a second. This has for loops in it. Asking me does it work doesn't actually ask me what part works, because I was able to do something dot text content and have it show up on the page. That worked. So inserting text on the page I can do. I have to insert something though. Wait, let me find my for loop. For loop. Here's one. So in my generate password project, I had a for loop. And I'm gonna copy the beginning just because I don't always remember how to do for loops. Alright, so I'm gonna make a variable equal to 0, and when the variable is smaller than that, keep going. So question bank, I think, is the variable that I want. And then what? For loop. My random password generator, I randomize characters. I do not want to randomly pick from the question bank. I just want to do them in order. And I'll put the for loop in an if statement. If something, then whatever. Like if the timer's still running, run the questions or something. I don't know. Maybe it's too much right now. Let's just do the for loop. Okay, wait. Let me go back to my ideas because I think I wrote about this last night. Create a question bank. Create a bank of question responses. Put the bank objects in an array. I did that. I can check that off. I only have 4 questions, but it counts. Switch question function. Call insert question content function. Insert question content function is going to have a for loop that inserts question details. Yeah. So this was already an idea last night. Oh fuck, class starts in 10 minutes. And then the if statement. If the question box is empty, insert first question. If question box already has a question, insert next question. Or maybe something else. If there are questions left, run a function again, but +1 an index location of array of question bank. Array.length. Oh. .length, right. And then return question to repeat inserting a question. Be wary of recursion loops. Yeah, my friend was like, just return the question function over and over again so that it keeps inserting a question. But they're going to be clicking on it, so there might be values in there that don't make sense anymore. Yep. You know, I think I'm gonna need to stop here just because I have class really soon. I've been sitting for a while and I need to stretch. Wow, we did so much. This is cool. Thanks for chilling and chatting and subbing and bitten. Thinking out loud with me. Can we just here, let me save my stuff. See? See, it says class in 5 minutes. Alright, let me save it. Git add dot git commit. And what's the message? Beginning to build for loop that inserts question data from question bank array. Git push. Password. Saved. Okay. Whew. Alright. This was fun. But it's time to not do this anymore. Now it's gone forever. Let's see. Let's see if anyone's on Twitch. Maybe we can go say hi. Obviously, I can't stay because my class is starting, but maybe like for 10 minutes or so. Is anyone on? Overwatch. Let's go. Oh no, it looks like he's done 7 hours of playing. Oh my god. She's been on for 4 hours. She's been on for 5 hours. Oh my god. Okay, it looks like we're not rating anyone because they've all been streaming all day long. Ugh. Well. It's that time. Time to leave for all of you. Hope you have a good night and hope you like today. I don't know when I'll be back on, but Tuesdays are the free days. Have fun in class. I'm gonna try. Have fun not in class. Yeah, I hope you do something fun. Oh, thank you, Zarknor. Okay, kids. Be good. I'll talk to you later. Bye.